Hi, my name is Amber Crest. For this informative speech, I'm going to be informing you guys, my listeners, the importance of managing your stress and improving your quality of life and what that actually looks like. What are sustainable ways that we can improve our day-to-day quality of life and hopefully experience less anxiety, less depression, less pressure, and an improved sense of self. So the prop I'm going to be showcasing today is an essential oil roller. This is relative to what I'm going to be showing you today because it allows me to connect to my senses. It allows me to be mindful and present and aware. And that really is the basis of managing your stress and improving your quality of life. So let's jump right on into it. Here we have our managing stress and prioritizing wellness. There are 4 things we're going to be talking about today: meditation, breath work, DBT skills, and the importance of a strong support system. Let's go on in. Our first slide here is going to be meditation. Overall, meditation is a short practice for settling the mind. It's essentially the art of accepting things exactly as they are. Meditation, as we know, has been proven for centuries to improve the quality of one's life. So if we dive on in, here we can find different meditation practices. It's important to note that learning the basics of any meditation is going to be extremely helpful. For that, I say find an app that works for you. I love the Open app, but there are ones like Calm, Headspace that allow guided meditations to move you through an experience, to guide you into what you should be feeling and sit with those feelings and emotions. It might feel hard and it might feel uncomfortable, but that's all part of the process. Just practice, practice, practice. Next up, we're going to be talking about breath work. Breathwork is essentially a stress reduction technique that brings physical relaxation and peace of mind. There are a number of ways to practice depending on the needs that you want for your breathwork, whether it's decreasing anxiety, sleep, energizing breathwork. All of these have been known to trigger the parasympathetic nervous system in our body. So if we dive on in, here are 4 different breathing techniques that happen to be my favorite that I practice weekly. One that we can highlight now is going to be the 4-7-8 breath. All this means is that you inhale for 4 seconds, you sit for 7, hold the breath for 7 long seconds, and then exhale for 8. You do this over and over for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you can notice a change in the body, a decrease in anxiety, and a mindfulness moment. The next thing we're going to be talking about is DBT skills. DBT skills are an important tool to have in your toolkit. All that DBT stands for is dialectical behavioral therapy. This is a practice therapy technique, and it includes 4 components: mindfulness, distress tolerance, interpersonal effectiveness, and emotional regulation. What does all this mean? Let's dive on into it. Distress tolerance is how do we handle stressful emotions? How can we sit with them? Interpersonal effectiveness is how do we communicate with our friends, our family, explain our feelings, speak our truth. Mindfulness is how we can be present. Emotional regulation is how to calm ourselves down if we're really sitting at a 10. What does it mean to come back down and be one with our bodies? The last thing I'm going to highlight today is the importance of a support system, leaning on friends and family, celebrating small wins with them. This means finding a great therapist, one you love, one you trust, phoning a friend, being vulnerable with coworkers, friends, family, and acknowledging your wins with these people, letting them into your story and the importance of that. Thank you for listening to my speech today. I hope that you're able to leave here with some knowledge. Bye.